Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today we're going to be talking about how to clean the outside of your house windows. It is springtime, summertime, which means these things need to be scrubbed. They've been sitting all winter. They need a good scrubbing. And this bowl here is just a lot of hot water, a splash of dish soap, Dawn dish soap, but you can use whatever you have on hand, and a splash of vinegar. No measurements here, just a little of this, little of that, just the way Grandma taught you how to make it. I like to use a bigger, like a kitchen towel for this, just because the windows are so big, it makes it go a little bit faster. But I'm just gonna dip this in here, I'm gonna wring it out, and we're gonna use this to scrub the windows. The thing I like about this is the Dawn dish soap works really well at getting rid of any grease or any outside things that happen on the outside of your windows, whether that be bird poop, dust, dead bugs, anything like that. The vinegar is gonna help shine the windows, keep them very clean. It's gonna give us that Windex effect, but we don't have to go in with a second step. The Dawn dish soap gets rid of all the dirt and the dust and everything that gets kicked up just from outside happenings, and it keeps your windows polished and looking beautiful. You can also take this down under the window trims and the seals, and it works great. It's how I've washed my windows for forever. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in another video.